Okay, so this is called a salt rock finish. The reason is because we use these big chunks of salt. They have usually like a medium, or this is a larger one, but as you can see, it's just salt. And when we finish the concrete, what we do is we just throw handfuls of the salt on there and then smash it down with the float, so that we can match the existing texture that was here, which was also that same salt rock finish. So to match it, this is how it's done. Now this is the next day. So yesterday we poured this and did the salt rock and all that. Today I'm going to be cleaning it off. Now there's a few different types of concrete finishes. Typically it's either a broom finish, a salt rock finish, a exposed aggregate finish, using like an acid wash or something like that, or maybe a stamped concrete finish, so where they use big rubber stamps and then make it look like rock or some pattern. So those are the most common types of finishes. Now this is the salt we use, Southern Based Salt Works, and got this at like a concrete supplier store. It's just big chunks of salt. What we're trying to match here, so if you see all these little indentations on the existing concrete, hopefully you can see, you know, all those little indentations all over. So that's what we're trying to match here. And so it's a little bit hard to tell because the concrete's still drying, so you have these dark areas and then these lighter areas, but you can see all these little indentations, and the color will get more uniform as it dries. But you can see this is like a perfect match.